Hello everyone. Today we're making a super easy and refreshing no-bake mango cream cake. Perfect for summer or any time you want a dessert without baking. Let's get started. First, peel a few ripe mangoes and chop them into thick chunks. I also froze some chopped mangoes earlier. So I'll be using both fresh and frozen mango chunks when making the puree. Now add the fresh mango chunks and some of the frozen ones into a blender jar. Pour in more full-fat milk and car sugar to taste. Blend everything together until you get a smooth, thick mango puree. Next, take some tea time sponge cake slice. Dip each slice into the mango puree. Now start layering the dipped cake slices into your serving dish. This will be our base layer. Once the first layer is done, add a handful of mango chunks on top. Repeat the same process. Dip more cake slices in mango puree and place them on top to form a second layer. Again, add more chopped mango on top. Your cake should now have 2 fruity, juicy layers. Now for the cream layer. Take the remaining mango puree and add some whipping cream to it. Whip the mixture until it becomes fluffy and light. Spread this whipped mango cream generously over your layered cake. Smooth it out with a spoon or spatula. This is your thick, creamy top layer. Finally, garnish with mango cubes for a beautiful and tempting finish. And that's it! Your no-bake mango cream cake tart is ready to chill. Refrigerate it for at least 4 to 6 hours. This helps the layers set and gives the best taste and texture. Once chilled, slice it and enjoy the creamy, fruity, melt-in-the-mouth mango delight. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy recipes. And let me know in the comments, which fruit should I try next for a no-bake cake? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!